Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I'm here to teach you SST Standard 3, Chapter 15, and the chapter name is Transport and Communication. Now, before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your homework which you received on online classes. You can spend your quality time on your study also, on reading, on your writing, and you're completing the project work. So once the school will open, I just want all the homework in your fair copy. Please complete it in good handwriting, legible handwriting, and use dark pencil. You have a lots of time, so please use the time. Do not waste it. Please complete it on time because you have a lots of time, so please use the time. And once the online class will over, please you can read your books and you can read the book thoroughly. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly so that you will be safe from the COVID-19 because it's very serious virus. Because of this virus we can die also. So for our protectness, please use the precautions which government has given the guidelines. So please follow that guidelines so that we should be safe inside our home also. Wash your hand properly, regularly, and do not interact with other person. Please complete your homework and please attend your online classes. Please see this chapter. So today we will start the water transport, but before that we will take a short look at what we have learned in earlier classes. So I might guess that you guys had purchased your book. If you don't, then please purchase it as soon as possible. Please purchase it so that whenever I am reading and I am explaining the chapter, you will not get any problem. So here I am going to read the chapter, read the line, sentence, line by line, so that you should also read and you should also understood the chapter. So just start with the first topic, that about the transport. So we all know that we all need some things to go from one place to another. We all need to go from one place to another for some work, for some things like suppose you come to school from home, then you need something to come. Maybe you will come by travel. People and some people also go travel for their work. Some people also travel for the fun and for the holiday with their families. So for that, how do they travel to other places? On that time, they use the different types of vehicles to travel from one place to another. So that's why we need the different types of vehicles for different space, for different places. So in fact, I have given you one questions in your book from page number 80 that you have to write down some vehicles name, that in which places we use which type of vehicles. I hope that you has done. So let's start the means of transport. Means of transport is what? The different types of vehicles, that we used to travel, are called means of transport. Means of transport means the vehicles which we use to travel. With the help of which vehicles we can go from one place to another. that is called the means of transport. In fact, they help the peoples and the goods to move from one place to another. The vehicle is also used helped to person and the goods to move from one place to another. So we cannot use the same vehicles, same means of transport all the time. Exactly, we should not use the same vehicles, same means of transport for all the time. The vehicles, it depends, the vehicles, how it depends that how far we have to go. The vehicles, it depends that how far we have to go and how much money we can spend. How much money we can spend, and in fact it can also depend on how much time we have to reach that places. So that then after we should decide our vehicles means of transport, that which means of transport we should use on which places. So it depends on the space of that place also, that where we have to go and how far distance is that, and we should also use that how money we can spend and how much time we have to reach that place. So then after we can decide that which type of means of transport we can use to travel from one place to another. So we have a different types of transport like land transport, air transport, water transport. So first of all, land transport. Land transport is what? The vehicles which used and which is travel on land. The vehicles which is travel on land are called land transport. Like example, car, buses, trucks, bike, motorcycle, auto rickshaw. These all are the example of land transport. In fact, trains are also a good means of transport. The trains it is also good means of transport, and it is very comfortable to carry the people and to carry the goods for a long distance. Trains are for different types, two types, like for passenger trains, and some are carry goods, means the passenger, the people, they can go from one place to another, and one train is what the goods are there, like coal, bike, which they can go from one place to another. So nowadays in big cities we have a metro trains, means the network of cities, the network of underground trains, which is called metro trains. It is used in the big cities. Next, the places where passengers get off or on to a train is called a railway station. Especially like trains, vehicle is also a buses, and it is also land transport, which we can go from one place to another, and sometimes they can reach some places where it is very difficult to make a railway track, and all these vehicles have engines which helps to move from one place to another. But some vehicles, they do not have engine, like and people just pulled it by their force, by the living beings, like examples are cycle, rickshaw, cycle, rickshaw, bullock cart and tanga. So these all are, it is not have a machine and it can pulled by living beings. Next transport is air transport. Now air is what? It is the fastest means of transport which traveled in by area, which is travel is by air. Large aircraft, it can take one from another corner to the world to carry to another within a few hours. The air transport is what? It can take a very few times to go from one place to another, few hours also to go from one place to another. They can carry hundreds of passengers and goods, even goods also for a long distance, but it can go long distance in a short time because it is a very fastest means of transport. That's why it can go a long distance in a very short period of time. However, air travel is more expensive, means it is very expensive than the another means of transport. Now, next is about the water transport that we will see in the next videos, means lecture number 2. So please guys watch the lecture number 2 And please attend your online classes and please read the book thoroughly. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.